mainit ang mga bagay-bagay. Ito, nasa news palagi sa ABS. Parang, wow.
I really appreciate that ABS.
Very positive, ah.
Thank you to them, but you know, it's past the past, and they brought up the news that I and I are seeing each other. So it's like everything's good.
Naalala ko na naman yung Instagram kasi nakita ko kanina may nag-post. This is forever.
Kinilig ako doon. Sobrang kilig. Actually, tinanong niya ako, pwede ko ba i-post? Siyempre, hindi ko siya show na kinikilig ako to the max, diba? Okay lang. Okay lang. Pero actually, deep inside ka, 100%.
Okay, maganda.
Okay, ito na. Yung level of 1 to 10, ano ba? 15?
Happiness.
Oo, ang happiness level. Para
1 to 10 daw.
Para sugar level lang to ng ano, no? Tsaka. yung level ng sweetness, ng sweetness, siguro yung nakakataya, basic na. Okay.
Pero hindi kayo kinakabahan kasi high profile relationship again. Kwentuhan, well, ang tao nakatingin sa inyo, konting ano,
May
balita.
mangyari man di maganda, alam ko kung saan siya nakatira, pwede
Alam mo na.
moment.
Ayun, alam mo na. Ano?
Parang ka nito,
That's what I have to deal with.
Ayun na, alam mo na kung taga-salan
That's
mo.
what I have to deal with. But meron kaming moment na I had to go out of town for like 2 days to finish off undercover. And then sabi nito, dapat hindi tayo magkita kasi kailangan.
Ma-miss niya ako.
And hindi ko kinaya, bumalik ako agad.
Oo nga,
Sorry,
surprise ko pa naman siya doon. Napanayavans ko yung mga kaibigan niya na nandun. So parang
Uy,
bumalik
nakasagasa ako.
agad.
Hindi niya kinaya eh. Yung pagkambit niya sa'yo, diba?
Nakasagasa yung ridership.
Sabi niya nga, parang forever, pwedeng ikaw na. Tanong ko na sa'yo.
Forever is a big word, but you know, it sure feels like
Derek, what's something special about Christine? Tulad
Kaharap
ng tinanong ko
siya
sa kanya,
talaga,
kaharap siya. Why you say, I'm in love with you already? Parang
I
ganun.
can't put my guard down with this girl. Look. When I'm talking, a finger can go in my mouth. Or she'll always cut me off. She'll never let me finish. If I try to butt into whatever she says, she gets mad. Says, no, let me finish. She's fun to be with. And she's like I said earlier on, one of the boys. You guys know how I love my friends. And she's one of them. And she hangs out with all of them and they all have good time. We already have plans for Brazil next year.
With my friends too.
Her friends, and I get along with all her friends. And we were all out together last night.
Yeah.
Parang everybody knew each other.
Pero may naisip na kayong puntahang bansa?
Brazil,
Wala.
going to Brazil for the World Cup.
Kailan yun?
June.
2014.
For 1 month.
For 1 month kayo doon.
Yeah.
Malapit-lapit sa panahon. Mabilis ang panahon ha. Christmas nyo masaya ngayon kasi first Christmas na kayo. Oo ba? Valentine's?
Palawan.
Yes, Palawan.
Palawan kita.
Actually, nag-invite pa sa akin yung parents niya. So wala lang.
So doon ka mag-Christmas?
Pangalan ng mga pamilya ko eh. So huwag niyo
Gusto mo
akong
sila
paunahan.
Invite mo mami mo sumama.
Sama mo, pamilya mo.
Sige. Sige. Kung papayag sila.
Sabi ni Christine kanina, yung first holding hands na medyo nagkatinginan kayo na ilang. Ano masasabi mo na
Last night, first holding hands natin sa Soler.
Na ilang
Parang
tayo?
naglalakad
And I
kami.
went up to her and I go, you know what? Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, usually we're out
Friend.
Friends.
everyone's you've been seen here. Like we're comfortable to be out. And then now we're walking around Soler.
Holding hands.
Taray, di ba? Ngayon, holding hands sa kayo.
It's weird.